was just sent this 6-tray divider with a nice silicone spoon rest. This is really nice because you always get mess whenever you are cooking. This way, everything can just lay in there nicely and drip off, have a place for it to go. Nice silicone area that is non-slip. Now, the big thing is this wooden divider. This is gonna be fantastic to hold all of this random dishes like this that just kind of need a place to go. This can go in the cabinet or on the counter. So I am gonna get all of this unpacked, but it is a nice wood with lots of different shelves. All right, so I've got it all unboxed. Put it together is super simple. It's got nice little grooves here that you just line this up, and then they have the screw holes that go right here. Now, whenever you are doing this, make sure that your indents are on the inside of it, so that way your shelves will have somewhere to sit. But once you get all this in, we're going to do the same thing and add the indents to the inside and align that on the grooves here. And then you just add the screws in, and it is easy as that. Once we get that done, we will put our screws, add in our shelves, and you are ready to go. They do include all of the screws along with a little Allen wrench just to tighten it up. So you just sit it down in there. You can use your fingers first, then screw it in. So I've got it all screwed down. I've put in a few of these nice things here. And what I really like is you can actually insert all of them, or if you have a bigger area, you can just take one out, and that way you've got lots of room to be able to put a thicker pan in there. But now you can just put your pans in, have everything lined up really nice. Looks way better than stacked all up weird. It's a great little tray that you can have out on your counter. Said if you wanted to put this in your pantry or anything like that, you could. Or you could even set it vertical and have everything sitting in there up and down like this to easily be able to reach in, get your things out, pull out different things. It's a nice cabinet tray divider to use in any kitchen.